I think this is an interesting time for people to consider an IT career. Why? Because that's the only industry is not poorly affected. And seems to be coming back soon because I get recruiters call like 30 times a day. So that tells me that the industry is still active. There might be a little delay in terms of IT staff and recruiting due to the corona pandemic, but then these jobs are doable from your home. And that's the next norm that this world is gonna face after corona pandemic, work from home. I can name like top 10 companies have sent their employee to work from home throughout the year. So, an interesting time that you should consider an IT career. Now, which one? There are various different careers in software development, career in software quality assurance, cybersecurity, cloud, data analytics, a lot of them. So if you're a fresher, I think software quality assurance is one of the easiest way to get in the industry, or a business analyst, right? This kind of courses doesn't require to learn a lot of technical skill. However, it does a little bit, right? But if you have a little good communication skill, you can get a job. And also, this kind of courses or jobs doesn't require you to have a degree. That's another fantastic thing. And then another point, when I was Googling earlier today, what I found, the national average salary for every American is $63,000. And that's not for everybody even. It goes by the age. If you are under 20, your average salary is $30,000. If you are under 40, it goes up to $10,000 more. But it doesn't get above $65K, where an IT job starts from $80,000 and goes all the way up to $200,000. I know people who makes more than that in just doing a job. You really have to consider this at this moment to at least have a second set of backup for you. So here in Transfotech, we offer very extensive IT courses, especially in quality assurance engineering, all kinds of quality assurance engineering, manual quality assurance engineering, automation, we teach programming, continuous integration, Cucumber, we teach you all the tools. So we have a very nice process called 6-step process. We actually not only train you, we have labs where it prepares you hands-on for this kind of job. And then we'll do the resume for you, we do the marketing for you, we have our own recruiters. So it's like an end-to-end process. And not only our school, a lot of other schools are doing the same. So if you want to come to us, just check our courses, get into an orientation, you'll get all the information. We have career advisors who would love to meet you and give you one-on-one consultation for free, right? It doesn't cost you a dime. They will hear a story, and then most of the cases they will be able to lay out a custom plan for you, right? Because we don't know where you stand in life, whether you have a job or you don't, or you're getting laid off, or you need an as soon as possible. Based on that, it doesn't matter how aggressive is your roadmap is. We can comply with that. We can give you custom courses based on your need and help you to get back into a job. We are in a mission to help people, American people, to put back in jobs. So don't hesitate, visit our website called Transfotech Academy or give us a call, and we are there to help. Thank you so much.